Alright guys, so I finally got my hands on one of these Daytona jacks. Pretty excited. This is the rapid pump. It's got with the foot pump on the back. 3-ton, low profile, long reach. It's the lowest profile and longest reach they offer. The other one that I was looking at doesn't have quite as long a reach, and it's a little bit taller. And the pad itself, where it lifts, is a little bit larger than this one, and it does not have this foot pedal. But because everything I own is super low, I went ahead and went with this lowest profile I could get with the longest reach. So let's pop it open and see what we got here. Okay, well, it is huge. I know we can all see it in the store, but man, once you get it at home, it definitely feels like it gets a lot bigger. Just a 2-part piece here, and then there's just a bolt that you loosen up, slide it down, lock it in place. Yeah, it's super heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't get it out without destroying this box. I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna get it out real quick, get it on the ground here. All right, there it is in all its green glory. They have green, or I think orange, blue, and black. So I went with the green one because I don't have a green one. Cool, and it's super cool. So you just would go ahead and tighten it up like normal if you were going to lift, and you have this little foot pumper here. Look how high that thing goes. I guess this doesn't stay up while you're pumping it with your foot, I guess. Interesting. Yeah. Look at that. All right. It rolls nice and smooth like you'd want it to. Let's put it under the car here. Let's throw it under the caddy and lift on it and just see what it's like. I want to see what it's like lifting with this. See if it's difficult or not. It does have the double pump there, so that's nice. Yeah, just wanted you guys to see this in case you were gonna go pick one up. This one is like 240, I think. The other one is 289. But like I said, it doesn't have as long of a reach as this one does. So and this is a good time to show you. So the one thing I don't like about this is this pad here isn't as big as the other one. Not just the rubber pad, the whole footprint of it is smaller. The other one, I'll bet you, is another inch on each side more square. So that's the only reason why I was contemplating on taking this one back and getting the other one. But then I realized the other one's not quite as deep of a reach. Plus you get 3/4 of an inch less height on this one. So something to keep in mind. And the foot thing, I mean, that's cool, but it's not super necessary. The other one also has a quick disconnect post here. It'll have that little disconnect here. This one just has the bolt like the other ones do. So let me get this set up and we'll jack this up a little bit. Okay, so I've got some pressure on the frame down here. That is super cool though, that this is shallow and you can go that far in there. As far as the foot pedal goes, it's kind of hard to, I'm putting all my weight on it. I don't weigh that much, so I mean, this is a heavy car too, so that probably doesn't really work for me. It's nice to have, I guess, if you were jacking up something that wasn't super heavy, but with my body weight, that's about all that allows for me. But yeah, just like any other jack, right? Everything seems to be super smooth about it though. Yeah. This thing is on bags, so it does go pretty low. The front's not all the way aired out. The back isn't either, but with my other jacks, I don't think I could fit underneath here at all, actually. Let's see. Yeah, we can get it. That's on the frame right there. The other one, no way. Absolutely no way would I get the other one on there. But yeah, cool. All right, well, guess that's about it. Just wanted to show you guys what it was like once you brought it home. So if I were to do it again, if I were to choose now after bringing it home, this probably isn't really that usable unless you weigh a ton. Then sure, that'll work for you. But super smooth, it rolls really nice. The hydraulic arm seems to be fairly nice. I'm gonna pump it up and tighten it and see if it'll keep pressure all night, hopefully, or I'll have to take it back. So the biggest downfall I would say is just that size of that right there. And if you're not looking for the super long reach and you don't care really about the height, I would probably go with the other one. It's a little bit more expensive. Just because I like having more contact area when I'm lifting on stuff. But if you've got lowered cars or you want that long reach, this is the one you'd probably want to go with. So I guess that's it, and we will see you guys next time.